No club vibe. They can't help it. They're like, that's I'm yeah. So at the moment.
Hello everyone. So today I'm at the Vietnam American Festival, and today I will sing a song called Tattoo Beings. So if you remember, I have a scene that is shot here. So I'm really excited because the MV is coming up. Yeah, so well, I hope you will enjoy it, and I'll see you really soon.
Đây ạ.
That's what we were, and that's what Thomas did. Go, and she'll just drop it down a key.
Hey guys, we are Boong Bing Band, and we are here to play some tune named Be the One. Later things. Yeah. And the second song, To Be Continued. Yeah.
Shall we continue? I say I didn't mind getting up, 'cause I don't wanna wait anymore. We gotta work it out.
Okay, so both of the songs I will sing today will be originals, and I'm really excited to show it to the people for the first time. So the first one is called Aurora. So it is the first line that comes when the sun comes. And about the meaning, I will not say too much because you will see it when you hear the lyrics. About tattoo beings, it's about a lost love. It's a quite sad story, but I'm pretty proud of the story, and it's really personal to me. And I hope that you will find some of yourself inside that song as well. So yeah, I hope you will enjoy both songs, and see ya.
I'm Boong. I'm playing bass.
I'm a Red Eye. I play guitar.
And Lâm playing guitar. Doan is drummer. And yeah, just wait for us to rock out the... Yeah? Rock it out. Rock it out. Yeah! Yeah!
Chúng tôi đã quay trở lại rồi đây. Chúng ta có thể nhanh chân chọn cho mình một vị trí thật gần sân khấu để chương trình có thể tiếp tục được bắt đầu. We are going to get started with our stage show. Our next performer will be the beautiful
At the U.S. Embassy in Hanoi last year. Performing a medley of their new single, please welcome Boong Bing Band and friends.
Vâng, và tiếp theo đây, các nghệ sĩ trẻ đến từ Trung tâm Hoa Kỳ Hà Nội sẽ góp vui về sáng tác mới của họ.
Put your hands together.
Tell me why is it so damn hard to love yourself? You love a tattoo on my feet. Never been a fan for men in anything but this. I'll take it.
I'll tell you, lying flat, watching the years go by. Can shall we continue?
Nhiều lắm rồi, bây giờ tôi nói lại nhá, thì bây giờ
3, 2, 1. Ok, tạo dáng đi ạ.
Yeah, we have fun. Hello, so I'm really excited that I finished the show, and I'm really happy as well because the stage is so big, and I'm so proud to be on that to open for this show. And overall, I'm quite happy with my performance.
So how do you think about our show? Yeah, let's see what we can do.